Every day, trillions of dollars move through financial markets. Those dollars are constantly giving feedback and basically voting, as it were, on the ideas that people think are best. And once enough money starts flowing in one direction, people begin changing their behavior to follow the money. AI, which I talked about a few weeks ago, is the perfect example of this right now. Many investors, not all, but many, have become convinced that artificial intelligence is the one and pretty much only future of the world. So AI stocks, some companies people hadn't even heard of a few years ago, are skyrocketing to become the most valuable companies on the planet. And at first glance, it looks like the market is simply reflecting optimism and pricing in what they see from AI's current and promised future capabilities. But that doesn't just make NVIDIA stock go up. Venture capital firms start funding more AI startups. Banks start becoming more willing to finance AI companies. Universities start creating AI specific degree programs. Careers that used to seem even a few years ago totally foolproof, like software engineering, start to look obsolete. Suppliers build factories to manufacture AI chips. The race to build more data centers heats up. And as time goes on, the economy contains more AI companies and far more resources and capital investments is put into AI than ever before. The higher stock prices didn't just predict the future, they helped create it. And we can tell the exact same story in reverse. It's not just AI. When Wall Street rewards companies that aggressively cut costs, which they often do, CEOs respond. Layoffs become more easier to justify. Automation accelerates. Departments shrink. Hiring can slow. And again, stock prices aren't just measuring reality, they're influencing the very decisions that shape reality. So, why in the world does that matter for you? Most of us are not Fortune 500 CEOs. We're not deciding whether to take our company to an IPO or whether a stock buyback makes sense. But we all live in an economy shaped by those decisions. The market influences where businesses invest, which industries grow, which skills become more valuable, which jobs get created, which technologies receive funding. So even if you've never bought a single share of stock, those incentives eventually work their way into your everyday life.